Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. I hope you're doing well. Today is the 5th of March and I'm vlogging today in lieu of not vlogging on Friday, which was the 2nd of March. I was trying to do like a series for this year where I vlog every day on the 2nd day of each month, but Friday was a bit of a day. I was working, there's something on my lens. I was working on Friday and it just sort of turned into just a worky day that just didn't really have anything really worthy to vlog. So I thought I'd vlog today. Today's Monday, I have the day off work and I have lots and lots of stuff that needs to get done, and I find that when I vlog I'm a lot more, I get things done because I'm vlogging it. There is a word for it but I can't think of what it is. But anyway, today is my nephew Aiden's 8th birthday, so I have to go and buy him a birthday present. Even though we're not seeing him today, we will be seeing them on Wednesday, but on Wednesday I finish late at work, so I don't know whether I'm actually going to see him. I gotta go get him a birthday present and do a little bit of shopping for essentials and stuff like that, and then I need to finish my tote bag tutorial. I just haven't had any time to even look at finishing that. It's about 3/4 of the way finished. I just have to do the last minute sort of editing bits and I can upload that today. And then also today I want to film my January and February favorites because you guys still want me to do monthly favorites. So that's what I'm going to do today. I really want to show you my beautiful shirt that I'm wearing at the moment. This is today's outfit and this is my gorgeous shirt that I'm loving at the moment. It is Mickey and Minnie in a car and they're kissing. Oh, I think it's just so adorable. I've just matched that with a pair of jeans that I'm loving at the moment, and then of course my red Crocs that I showed you in my last vlog. I love these shoes. And that's it. That's me today. Just driven the car out of the garage and it's raining. How nice. It's so nice to have a change of weather. It is officially not summer anymore, it is now autumn here in Australia and it's so nice. Yesterday was like really muggy and awful. Today it's cloudy and cool. Nice. I'm happy. So I'm back home now. I'm just going to turn the radio down. Successful shopping trip. Yes. I got a present for Aiden and I also got something else that's going to be lots of fun when I go on holiday in the next couple of weeks. But yes, successful and I'm home and we're going to get straight back into work. Yeah. Thought I'd do a little mini haul of a few things that I got today. So this is stuff that I got from Target. I just got everything from Target. So I got one of these things for Aiden. I know it's some action figure thing of a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I bought him some books because I always think it's important to buy books for presents. So I got that one and that one, and he's into superheroes and stuff. Then I just got like a lolly treat. This is a Wonka Nerds rope thing. I think you'll like that. And then a card that says have a blast, and on the inside it says happy birthday. And yeah, I think that's very boyish. And then for when we go on holiday, I bought this. This is Cluedo Harry Potter edition. We have a long-standing feud of Cluedo in our family, particularly between my brother and I, because there was an incident. It's a Cluedo incident, New Year's Eve 2016-2017, where we played Cluedo New Year's Eve, and we played the first round and he won, and then the second round I was just about to win. It was just because he had his turn before me that he won. And yeah, I've never let him forget it. He stole my win from me, and so we haven't played Cluedo since. But I think, you know, rivers have mended or fences have flown, I don't know, whatever it is. I think we can play Cluedo again, so that's why I got this particular edition, because it's Harry Potter. Why not? And we're all big Harry Potter fans, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch and then I'm going to get back in to editing my tutorial for the tote bag, get that done, and then do favorites. Yeah. For lunch today I bought some smoking sweet potato and chorizo soup by Jamie Oliver. It is my favourite type of soup. Focus. Focus. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of focus. Give it a minute, give it a minute. Good. Very good. I actually love making this soup at home in winter. It's one of the most easiest soups that you'll ever make in your life, and it's just delicious. I'm thinking sometime in the future I might do like a make with Amanda tutorial to show you how to make the soup, because it is so easy and it's so delicious. Like one of the best soups out there. But yeah. Oh, what's it gonna have focus for? It's been really weird today. By the way, look at my gorgeous swoons up on my design wall. Aren't they beautiful? And my maple star block there that I did the other day. But my swoons are beautiful. So I'm gonna do another one here with the cream background. I'm gonna do those two, maybe. I'm not sure yet, but I really like this print here if it wants to focus. There we go. I really like this navy floral print, so I don't know whether I'll do that pink solid behind it or maybe pick up the gold. I don't know yet, but that's the one I'm gonna do. That one is my favorite with the budgies. This is an offcut of the fabric that I made it with. Super cute. His budgies are just divine. So with those blocks, I think I'm just going to do 4 swoons and then piece them together, pop a little border on it, and just have like a little lap quilt. I think I'm pretty good at doing lap quilts. That's really hard to say. That's what I really feel like doing. I still have to begin quilting my pixelated rose quilt, which I'm not looking forward to because it's huge. But it's gonna get done, don't worry. When, I just don't know. That's the only thing. So I have literally just finished the final edit in my tote bag tutorial, and it's 10 to 4. I didn't realize it was going to take that long. It took forever, I mean literally forever, to find the right music to go with this tutorial. I'm happy with the final decision, but yeah, it just took forever to find the right thing. But yeah, I'm happy with it, and I think it makes sense. It looks good, and I think people will be able to follow along with it pretty well. I'm now just going to export that file so I can get it uploading onto my channel. So that should be up and ready for you to watch in the next couple of hours. Just got to upload it, do the thumbnail, and write in everything in my little description box, and it's all done. But as you can see, it's actually gone pretty, oh well, it's sort of hard to tell, but the room is actually really quite dark, and it's really quite gloomy and cloudy and dark outside, and it's only, yeah, 10 to 4, and I still wanted to film my favourites. I don't know whether to do that after dinner. I can always do it tomorrow. I don't want to do it tomorrow though. Well, I could do it tomorrow. Decisions. I'll get back to you on that. Oh, well, if you can see me, the rain's really, it's raining now. And I've just closed my blinds, which is why the room is so dark. I've decided not to film my monthly favourites tonight because it's so dark. Why am I still standing in the dark? I don't know. Oh, there we go. I've decided not to film favourites today. I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a little bit brighter, and then I'll edit that tomorrow and put that up on Wednesday. And I've also got to edit this vlog for tomorrow, but that's tomorrow. I've done enough today. I'm just going to chill out now, I think. Yeah. I think one of the good things about the weather cooling down is I can break out my candles. Yeah, I love burning candles. So the one that I've been burning recently, oh, so close. One that I've been burning recently is this one that I got from TK Maxx before Christmas. You might have seen me do a haul on it in my Vlogmas. This one is, I think it's cinnamon and caramel, but it's so lovely. It's really, really delicious. So I've sort of been burning it a little bit. So I'm going to light that. No. So this evening I think I'm just going to chill out and watch some Netflix. I've only just recently got into Netflix because a couple of weeks ago I bought the Apple TV thingy, which gives me access to Netflix and I've been watching YouTube on my big TV, which is great. But yeah, I've really gotten into all the great things on Netflix and just how awesome it is. What have I been watching? I've been watching The Crown, and I've been re-watching one of my favourite series, Australian series, called Offspring. That's really great. I've watched Victoria. That's really good. And yeah, there's still other things that I'm yet to watch. But yeah, I'm loving it. It's really good. How could anyone live without Netflix? I'll tell you what, it's one of the best things ever. But yeah, I'm gonna find something to watch now. Woo!